Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So share, like and comment my videos. And in this video we are going to see a very good news to the UGC NET qualified candidates. Why? Because the two different government colleges announced the assistant professor as well as the PhD admission notifications for the UGC NET qualified candidates. And while coming to the assistant professor, you will get 40,000 rupees per month, and as a PhD stipend, you will get 31,500 rupees per month as a UGC NET JRF category. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section of this video. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my next video as immediate notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding these two notifications from the two different government colleges. And you may apply from any state all over the India. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video. So out of the two different notifications, here the first one we are going to see the assistant professor recruitment notification from the Central University of Karnataka. Okay, so from this one here the contractual employment notification has been released, guys. So applications are invited from the eligible candidates for engagement as a teaching faculty in the various departments purely on contractual basis as well as hourly basis for one semester or until the further orders, okay, whichever is earlier. And the details of the post and the number of positions are given below. So interested candidates with minimum qualifications, you guys can apply for these positions. And the last date for the contractual and hourly positions in the CUK shall be 21st Jan 2022 evening 5 o'clock. And the candidates who are fulfilling the eligibility conditions may attend the interview at the respective departments in a blended mode, along with the detailed biodata and all relevant certificates in original in support of their qualifications and the experiences, etc. So coming to the departments here, geography, psychology, business studies, commerce, geology, mathematics, computer science, that is MCA, electronics and communications, electrical engineering and linguistics, music, Hindustani vocal, MFA, education, computer science technology, environmental science, life science, tourism and hotel management, mass communication and journalism, law. Fine. So total from all the different categories, total 40 vacancies are there, guys. And here you need not to pay any application fee also. Okay. So here whatever the respective mail IDs are there and whatever the Google forms are there, so you need to fill up this one. The soft copy of duly filled in application form and enclosures to be sent on the below mentioned email IDs. So the departmental wise are given here, so you may check down, guys. Got it? And the hourly basis faculties are also there. The subjects are English, psychology, business studies, mathematics, physics, chemistry, music, Hindustani vocal, education, mass communication and journalism and law. Total 15 vacancies are there. And you just download the prescribed proforma and fill up that one and send to this provided mail ID along with the documents whatever they are asking. Okay. So these are the things, guys. And coming to the remuneration per month, consolidated will be there. Why? Because it's a contractual one. So the candidates who are having the UGC or the CSIR net qualification is there, they will get 40,000 rupees per month. And the candidates who are having UGC CSIR plus PhD, they will get 45,000 rupees per month. And while coming to the hourly basis, so 1,000 rupees per hour will be get, and maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month will be available. And the qualifications, actually here you can get with only PG also. So while coming to the engineering department, the qualification is only post graduation. And while coming to the other than the engineering departments, PG with 55% of marks, along with that one the UGC NET or SLET or SET qualification must be there. Okay, so these are the things regarding this assistant professor recruitment notification, guys. Okay, so you please check down the official website of this one to get the clear details and all the whatever the things you want. And coming to the next one is the PhD admission notification from the Tejpur University. So admission notice for the PhD spring semester program 2022. So you may check down here. It is admission notice. And here this central university is accepting the PhD application forms only from the candidates who are having the valid UGC net or the JRF. UGC CSIR net or JRF. That means if you are having only assistant professor or the lecturership also, then you can apply for this one, because it seems like that only. And the DBT, JRF, ICR net, ICMR, JRF, and the gate for the admission to the PhD program in the following departments. So coming to the departments, you may check down here: applied sciences, chemical sciences, civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, energy, English, environmental science, food engineering and technology, mathematical sciences, molecular biology and biotechnology, mechanical engineering, physics and sociology, and the Center for Multidisciplinary Research. Okay, so the selection will be made upon the performance in the personal interview, which will be conducted through virtual mode only by the concerned department. That means through online interviews will be there, guys. So interested candidates may apply for this one, and the candidates are required to apply online through the link mentioned here by paying the 800 rupees and 400 rupees for the SC, ST and the PWD category. Okay. And the hostel accommodation will not be available to the admitted students. Here the important dates are also provided. So date of display of online application 7th Jan, and the closing of online application 28th Jan, and the list of the applicants eligible for the personal interview 4th Feb, and the date of personal interview by the concerned department 10th to 12th Feb, date of publication of the list of the selected candidates 22nd Feb, and the date of payment of fee and provisional admission 23rd to 25th Feb. Okay, so these are the dates, guys. And coming to the branches, you may check down. Okay, so just simply I will show you the branches here, guys. What are the different branches are providing by this university, and here the few fellowship programs are also there. I will show you that one too. So civil engineering, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, electrical, energy, mechanical, cultural studies, sociology, social work, business administration, environmental science, mathematical science, molecular biology, and the physics. Okay, so these are the different departments they given, guys. And while coming to the scholarships also, I may check down here. The students of Tejpur University can avail the various scholarships offered by the government organizations or the agencies such as Institute Fellowship, Inspire Scholarship, ACT Doctoral Fellowship, and UGC Research Fellowship, DBT, and NFSC, okay, and National Fellowship and Scholarship for Higher Education of EST, okay, etc. So these different types of scholarships are also available. Okay, and eligibility is post graduation in the concerned discipline, but net qualification must be there. And here the area of the research are also given here in this tabular format, so the interested candidates may once go through all these details very clearly. So visit the official website and then go to the PhD application link, guys. Okay, so this one. So if you're interested, you may continue and start applying for this online application form, okay, before closing date. Got it? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who are having the UGC net qualification and looking for the PhD admission as well as the assistant professor admissions. Okay, both these two that you can choose. So it will be the wonderful opportunity to them in this pandemic situation. So please share, guys, and to get more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC net examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC net as well as the gate for the 2 times in electronics and communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC net exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC net is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle, fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes.
So here, what I mean, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore. What are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose? And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare and English and education and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, I mean, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper 1. Okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want